Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers. We just got the coolest 8.5 18 in. Super excited to show it to you guys. This one's a 2019 Cargo Craft 8.5 by 18 in one of my favorite color combinations, the white blackout. Super clean and pretty, but gives you the blackout package with it. This one has got a bunch of really cool goodies on it. It's an extended triple tube tongue with a front generator rack and box, enclosed box, which is cool. We usually do these on the off-roads, and this one is on this trailer. This one also has your nice big side door with the RV lock and cam bar, so double lock protection there. Really cool recessed LED party lights on the side. I've got a video on YouTube that'll show you guys how bright these are. These are great lights to have on trailers. Two 3,500-pound torsion spread axles with brakes. This torsion spread axle package is as good as it gets in the trailer towing world. Gives you guys an independent suspension underneath the trailer, so the trailer's going to ride and tow better. And then by taking these axles and spreading them apart like that, it can cut down on wagging and swaying that can occur when you guys are towing. So this trailer will pull amazing behind you guys. And then you've got the really cool aluminum wheels, and when you do the torsion spreads, it gives you the really cool spread axle skirting as well. Drop down stabilizer jacks underneath the rear. Rear ramp door does have a spring assist close. It is a 7-foot interior height. You also have the really cool black diamond plate wrap around the rear door jamb, ties everything in together, and two LED load light spotlights here off the back as well. So you guys will have great light on the exterior of this unit. Get you guys a shot of this. It's a super good looking trailer. 7-foot interior height is going to give us 6'6" at the rear door opening here. We also have the awesome Nudo floor with Drymax, so you've got the great performing floor here on top, and then that water resistant product on the underneath side of your trailer. So great upgrade. Insulated walls and ceiling with this unit, white aluminum wall and ceiling liner, E-track in each of the walls and E-track in the floor. So you've got some great tie down points in here, especially if you guys are hauling different items. If you haul dirt bikes, UTVs, you want to haul four-wheelers, stuff, moving, whatever. This is a great setup because it gives you guys kind of unlimited tie down points in the trailer. Two LED interior puck lights on each side. So you guys will have great light inside the trailer as well with these puck lights. Those are wired up to a battery. So in here, we've got our nice little battery with a battery charger, and this is going to run those exterior lights and interior lights. This is a benefit because normally you guys have to be plugged into your vehicle to pull power off your vehicle to pull power into your trailer, or you need a 30 amp service package and be plugged into a generator. So this battery again is going to give you all of your interior and exterior lighting without having to be plugged into anything, which is great. You can drop your trailer, not worry about it. Backside of this RV lock does have that lock-a-latch set of keys. Here's your light switches, and it gives you power. And then this one also does have two interior outlets right here. You have a 30 amp cord on the front of the trailer, so you guys can pull in and have a couple of outlets on the interior as well. So very, very nice setup here. We also have two overhead roof vents, so great ventilation. You guys can vent the trailer out if you're hauling anything with fuel. And about a 4,500 pound payload capacity. This ramp door is not rated for a vehicle. This is not a vehicle trailer. You guys can use it for light duty. Small cars such as like a Mini Cooper or something would be okay, but anything bigger than that, not going to be rated for that. This is more set up for UTVs, toys, moving, ATVs, that sort of thing. So here it is. Give us a call if you guys are in the market for a new trailer. We would love to earn your business. As always, we are located in beautiful Castle Rock, Colorado. We do offer the largest selection of cargo trailers in the state, and we ship. So if you guys don't live near us, no worries, give us a call. We'll get you a shipping quote, and you can reach us at 303-688-8485, or you can always check us out online at coloradotrailersinc.com.